Let's see how to connect hosting a domain to GitHub.
So this is my GitHub simple code or website, and today we are going to connect domain to it. So I'm going to click on settings from here. Now select pages from here. And this is our GitHub website, and as you can see that it is live at the GitHub subdomain. So click on visit site, and here we will see our site. Go back to pages. Now here you will see a custom domain option. Now we will go back to Hostinger, copy our domain from here. Go back to GitHub and paste it here. After that we need to add www before our domain and then click on save from here. And as you can see that DNS check is in progress. And now we will wait a little bit, and after that we need to update the DNS records for our Hostinger domain. Now from here we will click on learn more about configuring custom domains. Now click on managing custom domains for your GitHub pages. Now scroll down to the bottom, and these are the A records that we need to add to Hostinger. Now go to your Hostinger H panel. Click on manage next to your domain name. Now click on DNS/name servers. Now scroll down, and here you will see many DNS records. And now we need to add our GitHub A records. In case you already have an A record here, then you can delete it from here. It is very easy to add an A record. From the type select A. For the name, leave it as it is, and points to copy it from here and paste it here. And after that just click on add record, and our record will be added. Same like this, you need to add the other records as well. Just add these 4 A records, and after that we need to add one CNAME record to Hostinger. So our CNAME record will be our username.github.io. So this is my username, Athar12. You can see it from here. So we will copy it from here. Go back to Hostinger. Now from the type we will select CNAME, and for the name we will leave it as it is, and for the target we will paste our CNAME record target here, which is our GitHub username.github.io. After that click on add record, and in this way your Hostinger domain will be connected to GitHub pages. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.